Hello, and welcome back to another episode of 7 Billion Humans, where we have to keep optimizing things, and I don't feel good about my ability to do it, which is maybe one of the bigger problems that I'm having. I don't know, I have a hard time thinking. Anyway, year 64 binary counter, we need to do both optimizations, and I guess let's just start, I don't know. What was this one all about? Make the green screen, or yeah, 0 to 15. So yeah, we start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on and so forth. Okay. Is this something? Or is this nothing? This is nothing. Is this something? It's probably the third one that would be. Yeah, it's also nothing. And then this one is the one that works, I guess. Yeah. Okay, so where are we at? We are at 38. We need 17. And we need 50. 54 is a weird cutoff. 54 seconds. And we got 88. Ugh. Ugh. Alright, so let's trash this. Okay. That seems like a solid start. Doesn't it? Alright, so how does this work? You wanna drop and then pick up, I guess. So this one always wants to alternate. Either drop or pick up. And this one wants... I mean, maybe we can do the pattern thing here that we tried to do on the binary other thing. There was another binary one, right? I forget now what it was all about. Because this one is 10 10 10, this one is 0 11 00 11 00 11 00 11. This one is 0 0 0 and then 4 ones, 4 zeros, 4 ones, and this is 8 zeros, 8 ones or something like that. Or 7. Well, it goes to 15, right? Yeah, so it's 8 zeros or 7 zeros, 8 ones, right? Yeah. Well, I mean, yeah, no, if you count 0 0 0 0 as the first one, which you should, because that's the first one, yeah. And it's 8 zeros and 8 ones, because it's 16 numbers, 0 to 15. Alright. And then this is, yeah, sort of 0. So let's think about this. How could we make this happen? I mean, we're gonna start from the right, obviously, and then this one would drop. And then on the next one it would pick up until the other one to drop. Or something like that. Ah, man, this is already getting complicated in my brain. I don't like it. I need to just, I don't know, let's just do this, whatever. Okay. So the question is going to be the timing here, right? Because this is going to be, if I do it like this, if this guy tells, I think we did it the other way around. Like we had this guy wait, right? Yeah, and I had these or them tell him to go, and he would step down, step up. But I think this is going to be better like this, because then we can just control everything more. It's just going to be, how do I time it? And then it would be if there's no cube, drop, otherwise pick up. Or something. As a start. And on pickup I will tell obviously timing is bad. But the pattern is right. Or almost right. It's not quite right. Okay, I need to do it like this. Zero. Still 0. 1. 2. 3. 2. 4. 5. 6. 7. 6. I mean, I think we're onto something. It's just the timing is horror. I don't know how to fix it, is the thing. I don't think we can do it like this. I think we need to listen here too. I think the timing is going to be too messy otherwise. So that would be here, right? Is it gonna break? It might. It shouldn't. It feels like it should work. It still feels really, really slow though. I don't like it much, but other than that... it seems pretty good. Yeah, it works. Okay, that's the size. I didn't really pay attention to that. I thought we were off there too, but we're not. We're still 16 seconds out. Huh. But that's the pattern I try to use somewhere else. Here? Or did I try to use it in that one? I don't remember now. I remember trying to use the binary pattern thing for something. But it was just decimers. Did we not have another binary thing? I thought we did. Because this wasn't it either, right? No. Didn't we have like a binary something or other? Maybe not. Maybe I tried to use it here and it didn't work. Where are my notes for this lever? Are those the notes from my lever? No, I think I tried to do it here and I just failed, maybe? I don't know. But we got it now, so that's all I care about right now. Because that's what I was trying to do, right? We always just. I guess I wasn't doing it alternating, right, or whatever. I don't know. I really don't remember. I just remember having this idea already, and I'm surprised that I just was able to implement it here. Because I remember having the idea before, and it didn't work. I don't know. I don't remember exactly what happened here. Okay, so how do we get this faster? That I do not know. Because we're off by a lot, right? Yeah. I mean, how much time is there in between things? I mean, this is already a waste of time. Now we're not concerned about commands anymore, so we're gonna do this up here, I guess, and step down one more time. Oh, this is gonna break things though. Wait, why? Not listening just yet, okay. That's a bad problem to have. I could maybe tell before I drop. Feels like that might be enough time. Yeah. Saved us 8 seconds. But we need another 8. If we tell okay before we pick... No, we do already do that before we pick up. If I tell... I step down, I tell, I step up. What if I tell first and then step down? No. Oh yeah, then obviously it's in the wrong direction. Is that faster? It is faster by 4 seconds. We're still 4 seconds off though. Ah, man. how are we gonna do this? If I do this, that doesn't change anything, right? Is inverting this gonna change something? It doesn't feel like it should. No. Where do I get those seconds? I don't know. I don't know. I really have no idea how to make this faster now. Let's let it run slowly to see. I mean, we could have... What if we do if... I don't think this is going to be enough, even if it does anything. But if we do this and just drop it... We're skipping one of the cyclers, basically. That's 2 more seconds. Come on! Oh man, still 2 seconds to go. How? How? Where do I get 2 more seconds? Because we can't have this earlier, right? Because it's always just gonna mess up the timing. Wait. How did you end up here? Oh, because... Right, this is... No, wait, what? Oh, because it's a pickup down first now, right. I thought it was still a step down. A second slower. I don't know. I can't really think of anything. Yeah, I just can't really think of anything. Where do we save time here? What could be shortcut? I don't see an option. I don't know if I can do anything here that makes a difference. Like if I do something like this, does this make a difference? But this was worse, right? Yeah. I don't think it's gonna save me anything. It's gonna be about 57 again or something. Hmm. Haha. No. Misclicking. That's slower. Yeah, it has to be slower. This has to be faster. I don't know how to make this a little bit faster. I don't see much that's wrong. And I need the if here. There's no other way I could do that, right? I don't even know. Now, it would definitely be slower if I had like just a pickup and a drop. Or it wouldn't work, because it would always just pick up and drop then. Or drop and pick up, depending on if they have the item or not. I doubt that there's a difference in ifs. Like, I could if my item is nothing, or whatever, but I don't think that makes a difference. I don't think that... yeah, I think if that just takes as much time as it takes, I don't think there's a difference in looking at the cube on the floor or the tile on the floor or the thing in your hands. I don't think that's gonna make a difference. What's the timing of this now? Doesn't quite work. But if we have it here, I don't think... Oh, it's gonna start, actually. Why does this break now? That's interesting. Right? That's interesting. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's why. Put that in the wrong spot. It's still not good. Obviously. Makes sense even, but I don't know. I don't know, I'm just doing random things because I don't know what to try. Maybe this can't be faster, maybe I need a different solution. I just don't... I can't think of anything that would be faster in terms of like soaring than doing the alternate thing. Maybe I'm just blind and there's like something that's suboptimal about the setup, and if I just change that it would be it would be all good. But I don't know what that could be. That gave us... What did that give us, actually? Did that give us something more? Oh yeah, that gives us the head start. Which is only 2 seconds, not 4. I mean, 2 more seconds. How can I save 2 more seconds? Same. But that did change the thing a little, right? Because it made the first step already be the 1. Which I didn't have before, but why does it not affect the speed? Because in this case I step down first and then up again. Oh, because it's basically... But no, that should be faster, right? Maybe it's not enough to be a second. It just feels like having this delayed here. It should be faster because now I step immediately with the drop, basically. Or I step after the drop, that's why. If I hardcode the first step like this. Still the same. Still the same. 2 seconds off. That's really frustrating. I don't know what to do. I might not need this anymore. But that's not gonna change anything. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, this way it's gonna break, because it's not slow enough. See, that's interesting. A calc is slower than a pickup I can't do. Is there something else that's faster by 2 seconds? There's nothing. There's nothing that's faster by 2 seconds. What if I listen while I'm on the button? Did I try that, or I think I tried that already. And it's much slower. Ah, man. This felt faster, but I don't know. It is slower. That makes sense too, I guess. I don't know what to do then. This feels as fast as I can go. I have no idea how to go 2 seconds slower, lower, not slower, faster. Or lower, yeah. I don't know. I have no idea. Let's just throw all of this away. Throw this away too. Alright, so we step down twice. And then I guess we do if up is not a cube, and then else we pick up. And that's not what I clicked, but it's okay. And then we need to listen and we need to tell. How did you end up? Oh, I didn't do the jump. That's how you ended up here. That's my fault. It's so much slower. It's frustrating how slow this is. Why is it so slow? Because it's our bad. Our bad, our bad, our bad. Wait, why is it breaking? Because she's not listening for the okay yet? Yeah. That's slow. I can feel it. I can't end on the button? Or was there a mistake in there? Oh, I skipped one. Yeah, okay, that's a mistake. Frustrating. That's what this is. Yeah, 57. I don't know how to get to 54. Oh man. I have no idea. Let's look at this thing. For a change of pace. I don't even know what this does anymore. Oh, I hated this one. I really hate this one still. I don't have a good feeling about my ability to solve it, to be honest. Because that's a very ugly solution. We have. It's surprising because it's good for time, actually. It really is. But yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. 25 commands is not a lot. So how would we do this? How are we doing it? We are going up there, and then we're finding the first one, and then going all the way to the left. Yeah, we're finding the first one that doesn't have a neighbor to the left. And we're carrying them over. And we're also looking for gaps, right? Yeah, as we walk through, we're looking for gaps, and if we find one, we grab the next cube or something. I think that's the whole thing, right? Yeah, if there's nothing, we go and find a cube and carry it to that hole that we just found. God, that's awful. It's actually reasonably fast, but it's also a big mess. A big mess. I'm not sure if I'd rather be working on the binary thing again, to be honest. What do these ones do? Do they do anything? They do some things, but then they also don't work at all. Let's just get rid of this whole mess. Okay, so the problem. What are the problems? The problems are going from one row up a row. Like, how do we know that we need to go up a row, basically? I think you'd have to start. You can't start at the bottom, I think. That's just impossible. I feel like you have to start from the top. Because if we start at the bottom, we can't know where to go. We could put this here, and this here, and this here, and this here, but it's pointless. Because we need to move them all like, up into the top 3 rows or whatever. So there's no real point in doing that. Yeah, there are in 3 rows, right? If we start from the top and we find one that doesn't have a neighbor, and then we go back here. The problem is that we could just keep doing that. We just walk here and reset from there every time. Whenever we find one that doesn't have a neighbor to the left, that would work here. We would carry it up. It would work here, and then it would work here because the one is gone. It would work here. It wouldn't work here. And we can't do if left is nothing or a whore, because then we'd always keep picking up this one again and carrying it up and then putting it down again. So that's not good. What was it, 25? So if we if we just move here, and we save this, and then we go and find one of our neighbor, put it here, and we'll keep doing that. How do we know this row is 4? Well, if we have a cube and there's a whore to our right, then the row is 4, and we go down a row. And we put that there, and then we save that as a new spot where we reset to. That seems reasonable, actually. Let's just... It's obviously bad for commands. I just want I just want to have only one worker working for now. Yeah, that's what I wanted to have happen there. Very good. And we want to step up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. Apparently, I don't know. I should step up 6 times now. Yeah, okay, that's nice. We can step up 7 times like this. Which is weird that it works like that, but I guess it makes sense. The checks here steps up, checks here steps up, and so on and so forth. It's just weird that it... Cause, yeah, once it's up here it hasn't checked anything, but whatever. Pick up and step to mem1 and then start stepping right. And if your direction is nothing, drop it. That's already so many commands though. And after we drop, we want to go back to stepping right. Oh. Wait, why did you fall off there? Yeah. Stepping up, saving the spots. Oh, because... Right. Wait, no, what? Oh no, this was supposed to be here. No, wait, what am I doing? I need another jump right here, right? Something. Why? Wait. I step right. If left is nothing and this is a cube, then go in there. Otherwise, just step right. And then once you're there, you pick up, you go there, you start going right. If there's nothing, you drop and then you jump out of this. How are you still in here? I'm confusing myself here. They step to the right. And you drop it, and you go back out. That's an and, what? How? Wait, what? Why is this not working? How do you get into this if? If left is nothing and there's a cube there where you're standing, which is not the case. What are you doing? How did you how did you get in here? What? What? I don't understand. He steps right. Checks if left is nothing and this is a cube. And she determines that this is true. Oh no, this jump is wrong. I poured this jump to the wrong spot. What am I doing? Okay, that explains it. Yeah, that's much better. Alright. I don't know, I that really confused me. I don't know when I dragged that there. It made no sense anyway. I completely messed up the jumps here. But this is already 16 commands, and I don't think I can do it in 25 like this. I mean, there's not that much logic missing, really, but still. I step right. So basically we just want if right is a whore. And then we would want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left steps. And then we would want if okay, so we drop here and we jump out and then we immediately step to the right and die. So we should put this up here, I guess, instead. Right. And now you only have this problem right here to deal with. If right is a whore. It's just gonna be over, which I hate, I think, for each deer. Yeah, it's just gonna be over. That's a nightmare. Step left. This is like duplicate code, which I hate too. Oh yeah, we're gonna be more than a little bit over. And also it's probably gonna, yeah, I think it's gonna break in some cases here too. Yeah, I was not picking up this guy, right. Ah, yeah, I forgot about this case. Even though I mentioned it in the beginning. That was a big problem with all the other attempted solutions we had. Oh, but while we're going to pick one up... Wait, how do we do this whole trying to pick one up? If left is nothing and it's a cube. Can I do this? Nope. I hate this one cube so much. I think I messed with this before too. Being unsure how this works if I put more conditions in to an if. Can we reuse this one somehow? We maybe can actually if we just if we do this. That's much more elegant. I like it. That makes more sense too, actually. And now we just need to... No, wait, that's the wrong code. Where did I put this? This one is what I want. Okay, it's breaking here because we step right and then we go here before, so we would need to do this before we check if there's a hole. But that's also gonna break the drop again at the start of the next line. We're gonna step right here. Yeah, we are. We can fix that by just jumping out of it, I guess. I mean, this is much better than what we've had before. We just can't pick up this on the edge there, and I hate it. And I can't just pick up any cube, because then I'll start here, I'll step right, I'll go here, I'll step right, drop it, step left, step right, drop it, right. Or no, wait, that's not... Maybe that's not true? I could just think about it, but instead I'm just gonna try. That seems like it might work. Oh, why did you not pick up the one and... What? Why? 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 Okay, let's just let it run once more, I guess. You pick up everything. Do I step? I guess I step right before I do the pickup logics, but... Okay. I don't, though. No, but I do. If I do it like this, then that's gonna be bad, because... Yeah. And I can't just step right after I drop. Oh, but we could just put this here. Maybe. No, we can't. Yeah. The extra right step messed me up there. That makes sense. I think this is gonna be good. I don't see why it should break, at least. It's slow. It's really slow, but... it's otherwise much better than my old solution. Just because I'm saving the last drop spot instead of always going back to the top corner, which was a silly idea that I just reused here at the start of this session of optimization challenges instead of thinking about it. I hope this guy has enough patience for this to run out, because I'll be mad if he don't. If he doesn't. Alright. Yep, we got it in 19. That's all we needed. So, we got the binary counter almost done. I am not sure how to get those last 2 seconds though, so I don't know. And then we got both of them here, right? Oh no, I had the time. Right, so we got 1 and 1. We got 1 size and 1... No, we got 2 size ones, and no time ones today. Really bad. Really bad. But I guess there you go. There you have it. I'm curious now, actually. Our original solution is this one, right? So what if we do... this? If one of them fell off, one of them fell off. Did he drop an item into the abyss? He might have. I think it was, yeah, they drop items off. Oh, because I'm not checking for the, yeah, because if they put the last one there, right, that makes sense. So we can't just optimize it, like, I just wanted to see how much time that would save. But we can't just do it like that, because we're not checking after we drop. We go all the way up here and then... Oh, but then they shouldn't be that stupid. Step down, step left. Until left is a whore, and then start stepping right again. There's a cube, pick up, step mem1. Oh, and then there's probably a right step right here. Yeah. So we'd have to go to this logic instead, and I think that's gonna break things. Yes, it is. Anyway, it doesn't really matter. Just curiosity there. Yeah, 2 levers to go, and then these 2 seconds there. Yeah, I don't know. We'll mess with it more. I think it'll be okay. Those 2 I'm not really looking forward to, though. The count and the double were not very nice levers. But we're getting there. We're getting there. This was a decent episode, at least. I feel like I did some things. I thought about things. I solved some problems. That's always nice. But that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.